everybody!
Before starting,
Naman. Thank you.
thank you to our sponsor.
Wait.
To love, respect, gusto mo yun, dumikit. Passion,
Desire, passion, and respect.
and respect. And at the back, ayusin mo na lang.
Sige. Papakita ko yung likod. Yan. Made in the playground.
Made in the
Playground. And thank you, Jazz.
Jazz, you're the bomb.
Baba.
Super twins kami today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Start off, super fail yung desert safari trip namin because we were already in the mall kasi dun kami pipick upin ng whatever going to there, to the desert.
The
Desert. And kaso tumawag nga, tapos it was raining daw in the
Fortunately,
desert.
it was raining and we can't go there. Hopefully by next Friday, sabi, sa next Friday, okay pa, na we can have the safari trip.
I'm eating again. Sorry.
Yeah. Diba? May V-cut dito. Pinas na Pinas.
Ayun.
Ito yung Coke nila.
May caricatures yung Coke nila.
Yeah! Pero ang likod. Coca-Cola.
Alright. So, there. So, anyway, hindi kami natuloy. So, we just spent the day at the mall. Nauna kaming dalawa umuwi. First time namin magkapauwi na kami dalawa lang. Kasi nag-date pa si Thea and si Jackie sa Sega World.
Yeah. Ayaw namin pumasok. Mainggit kami.
Hindi kami umavail kasi ang mahal.
Naman naman. Visit-visa muna
Visa
kami.
pa lang. Pag nagtrabaho na kami.
Yeah.
So, nung pagod kami, we just went around walking sa mall, eating, and drinking.
Drinking mango shake and the banana shake.
Sobrang saya kasi halos lahat ng tao dito talaga Pinoy. So, lahat ng servers, pati mga chef nila Pinoy. So, hindi hindi kami nahirapan at all na like, mag-order ng food or whatever. Halos kahit di ka na tumingin sa menu, talagang tanongin mo na lang sila, ano masarap dito, whatever.
Yeah, pero meron pa rin mga Pinoy na parang antipatika, parang okay, fine, kababayan tayo, but still, well, choice nila yon.
Tapos, may joke siya.
Ay, ano, kasi ganito, kain kami. Ayun, kain kami, tapos, nag-order si Jackie and si Thea sa isang Thai restaurant. Yun yung Pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
Pad, like, pad paper, tapos Thai.
Thai food.
Oo, Pad Thai. Tawa na naman ako. Tinanong na naman ito. O, ba't ka naman natawa? Sabi ko, Pad Thai Rotonda.
Ay, pwede. Tawa kami. Tagal na naman namin. Sakit na naman ang tiyan namin.
Pad Thai Rotonda. Lahat bulol. May first, second, third, Pad Thai Rotonda.
Meron pang Modesh.
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 Whisper.
Ayun nga. Tapos,
May shirt si Modesh. Mag-avail kami nun. Susutin namin yon.
bili talaga mo yung promise.
Yeah.
Sikat talaga si Modesh.
I love her. Her?
Yeah.
Him?
Smiley lang siya eh. Okay, anyway. Tapos, may pinuntahan kami. Yung mall pala na pinuntahan namin, yung Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall.
The Dubai
The.
Mall. The.
Anyway, yung Dubai Mall.
Yeah. We thought uwi na kami. Tapos lumabas na kami ng mall. Yung pala, merong fountain show.
Sobrang, alam mo yung mapatulala ka lang. As in, sobrang ganda. May video din kami.
Yeah, we'll upload a video. It goes with the beat of the music. Yung flow
Sobrang
ng
galing.
waters. Yung zoom, 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 zoom.
Every 15 minutes, sobrang iba-iba yung parang fountain show. Every 15 minutes, tapos after nun. Ang ganda, tapos start at 6 p.m. Tapos talagang beat of my music, my lights, tsaka yung fountains. Sobrang galing. Kasi may alam mo yun, talagang, nung una pa paglabas namin sa mall, parang, ano to, akala namin mosque. Kasi parang ganun yung design. Tapos, daming tao, akala mo yun pala yun. Ang galing, sobrang ganda.
Ang ganda-ganda. Na-emo ako.
Namiss yung pamilya
I miss my family. Kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. It's really easy to come here sa Dubai. So, pag nasettle na kami ni Kibs, and okay mga skeds nyo, then come here to Dubai, papakita ko sa inyo yun. Kasi ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Sobrang ganda, promise. Video pa lang, I mean, well, it's different when you see it talaga na in real life, in person. Talagang, oh my God.
And we really didn't care kahit yung may splash of water
sa
sa mukha
namin.
namin.
It was windy. Kahit nag-hood kami.
Nag-hood kami.
Hood.
Hoodie hood. Pecker.
Ay, and guys, madami pa rin gwapong Pinoy dito.
Oh my God. Nakita akong gwapo.
Dami pa rin gwapong Pinoy dito, promise. And, dami rin gwapong Muslims,
Arabs.
Dami pa rin
Mayroong
gwapo.
isa. Yung mahaba nga yung hair.
Ay, yeah. As in, like, whew! Gaan kami, pauwi na kami, like,
Yeah.
nagpahanap kami ng cab and stuff. Tapos sa mall pa kami, ganyan. Tapos biglang, duman na kami ng store, syempre class, diba? Tapos para sabi niya, Gibbs, sabi niya, ang gwapo. So, nag-backing pa ako. Just backing. Uwi na ako. Like, backing talaga ako. Sinilip ko siya. Long hair siya, mukha siyang rocker dude. Ang gwapo talaga. Pero Arab talaga siya. Tapos sobrang gwapo niya. Gwapo. Yun lang.
Yan. Ayun, so there. Wala lang.
Last. Habol lang. And you'll see in the video na we'll upload. We'll upload another video. You'll see the tallest,
Tallest building in the world. That's the Burj Arab. Burj Dubai. I'm
Burj
sorry.
Dubai.
Burj Dubai. So that's the tallest building in the world.
In the world. And then, yeah. So there,
yeah, quick update. Fail yung safari trip, but still, every time na we go out here sa aming home,
which we love.
Yeah.
Which we love. We love our home.
Nasa-surprise kami. And every day, there's something na na-offer ng Dubai for us.
We're falling in love with Dubai. Honestly. Uh-oh.
Ay, yeah, Manila pa rin.
Manilenya.
Manilenya. Siyempre. Okay, so there.
Okay.
So, prepare for the new year. 3 days to go. 3 ba? 4?
26.
May 31 bang December?
Yeah.
Wala.
Wala pala.
So,
Well, whatever. Prepare for the new year.
yeah, may tumatawag. Mamasan namin.
Well,
Anywho,
bye.
bye.